What is up, guys? My name is Shemaine and welcome back to the Mirror Table. Today we are doing a quick upcycle high fashion dupe. We are going to make these Louis Vuitton monogram patch denim shorts. I found these Gap denim shorts from my favorite place, the thrift store. And I am going to thrift flip these babies into a high fashion denim shorts. They require some minor alterations, so I'm going to take them in the waist to make them more fitted. I love to upcycle Gap jeans because they are very well made and they have really nice stitching. So I'm gonna create my own Louis Vuitton Gap collaboration. Let's do this.